Hi and welcome to Dlubal. In today's video, I would like to introduce you to our new page for submitting your structural analysis models. If you've calculated your structural analysis models with our software, you can publish them on our website and social media. The procedure for doing this is very easy. On our website, go to the Downloads and Info menu, click on Submit Structural Analysis Model and fill in the form. Your model will then be featured on the Dlubal website and social media, which is visited by thousands of users around the world. This is an effective and simultaneously free advertising effect for you. And in addition, it can be downloaded by engineers and students for practice. If you want to try out RFM, you can download a free 90-day trial version from our website. And for students, as always, we offer a free full version. We are already looking forward to your structural analysis models. See you.